Embracing an imperfect beard is all about celebrating your unique features and finding the confidence in your own individuality. Remember, no beard is perfect, and that's what makes it so special and charming. Here are some uplifting tips to help you embrace your imperfect beard and how to rock it with style. Embrace your natural growth. Your beard's imperfection may include uneven patches or varying thicknesses, but that's what makes it uniquely yours. Embrace the natural growth pattern and work with what you have. Let your beard grow freely, and over time, it will fill out and find its own shape. Keep it clean and well groomed. Just because your beard is imperfect doesn't mean it can't look neat and well maintained. Regularly wash and condition your beard to keep it clean, soft, and healthy. Use a beard comb or brush to detangle and shape it. Trimming the stray hairs and maintaining a clean neckline can also give your beard a more polished appearance. Play around with different beard styles that suit your face and shape and personal taste. Some styles, like the goatee or Van Dyke, focus on specific areas and can help conceal any imperfections you may feel self-conscious about. Alternatively, if your beard is thinner in certain areas, you can opt out for a shorter, more even length overall for a cleaner look. Emphasize your strengths while focusing on imperfections is natural. It is important to shift your attention to the positive aspects of your beard. Maybe you have a strong jawline or captivating eyes that can be accentuated by your facial hair. Highlight these features by shaping your beard accordingly. A well-groomed mustache or a beard that tapers towards your chin can draw attention to your best attributes. Embrace confidence. The key to rocking any style, including an imperfect beard, is confidence. Believe in yourself and your unique look. Remember, you are more than just your facial hair. Embrace your overall appearance, personality, and the qualities that make you special. When you radiate self-assurance, others will perceive your beard as an integral part of your authentic charm. Connect with other beard enthusiasts. Joining a community of fellow beard enthusiasts can be incredibly uplifting. Share your journey, seek advice, and learn from others' experiences. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who appreciate the beauty of all beards, imperfect or not, can boost your confidence and provide inspiration for new styles and grooming techniques. Your beard is a reflection of your unique personality and individuality. Embrace its imperfections as part of your personal story. With proper care, grooming, and a confident attitude, you can rock your imperfect beard with style and inspire others to embrace their own uniqueness as well. I hope this helps you on your beard journey. Feel free to reach out to us anytime at support@livebearded.com if you have any questions. And as always, live bearded.